Good day, ma'am. I'm Princess Joy A. Grospe from 3CRI A1-11. So last time, we talked about the casting and molding. So for today's video, we will talk about the hair, fiber, and fabric evidence. For this topic, we have the lesson objectives. First is the explain the significance of hair evidence. Second is enumerate the steps in collection of hair evidence and the methods of microscopic analysis of hair. Next is define the fiber and fabric. Then last is discuss fabric source determination. So let's start with the hair. Ito ay ang fine thread mark or ang parang hibla ng sinulid na tumutubo or nag-grow sa human, mammals, or animals. Then, we have the sources of hair. First is the head or scalp hair. Kapag nag-collect dito, ay approximately 50 head hairs ang kailangan. Ito ay ang hair in the center, front, back, and side of the scalp, including the nape of the neck. Second is the pubic hair. Kapag nag-collect ng hair sa pubic, ito ay kailangan approximately 30 hairs. Then last is the animal hair. Ang pag-collect ng hair dito ay comb or pull hair. Ang minimum na hair na kailangan dito ay mahirap i-determine. Ito din ay pwedeng i-collect in the various area of the animals. Next is the fiber. Ito ay ang pinakamaliit na textile materials. We have two classes of fiber, the natural and manufactured or man-made fibers. The natural comes from the nature, and the manufactured or man-made or synthetic fiber ay na-produce gamit ang chemical reactions such as nylon, polyester, and rayon. Then we have the fabric. Ito ay ang cloth or materials na na-produce gamit ang pagwi-weaving. Kasama dito ang nylon, cotton, and etc. Ito ay ang ginagamit sa paggawa ng mga damit, kurtina, at iba pa. So let's move on with the steps in collection of hair evidence. First is recover all hair present. If possible, gumamit ng kamay or tweezer para makuha ang hair. Then, ilagay sa envelope and sealed. Then label the outer envelope. Second is kapag ang hair ay naka-attach sa dry na dugo or sa metal or sa cracked glass, huwag na itong tangkain pang tanggalin. Kapag ang object ay maliit lamang, wrap it and then ilagay sa envelope. Kapag naman ang object ay malaki, wrap the area containing the hair in paper para maiwasan ang pagkawala ng hair. Next is, in rape cases, the victim pubic regions should be combed prior to collecting standards. dapat ma-obtain ang known sample ng victim or suspect para maikumpara sa unknown specimens. Then last is the recommended method for collecting head hairs. First is kailangan yung person na pagkukunan ng buhok. Dapat i-bend in a clean sheet of paper and rubbing and massaging their hands through the hair para ang loose or ang mga natatanggal na buhok ay diretsyo sa malinis na papel. Then let's proceed with the methods of microscopic analysis of hair. The microscopic analysis of hair has two components. First is dapat i-identify yung characteristic feature ng hair. Then second is ikumpara yung features sa question or unknown hair and sa known hair. Then we have also the microscopic hair comparison in forensic laboratories. So dito is usually 2 compound microscope ang kailangan na connected sa questioned hair and known hair origin in the same field of view. The first step of the examination is kailangan munang i-verify or identify whether the hair question is galing sa human or animals. Then kapag ang buhok ay galing sa animals, yung examiner ay i-identify ang species kung saan ito na nag-originate or originated. Then, if the hair is from the human, yung examiner is i-identify kung saang parts ng body nanggaling ang hair. Then, some of the features of the hair is include the length, shape, size, color, stiffness, pigmentation, and appearance. Then the majority of hair na ine-examine sa forensic investigation ay ang galing sa pubic and hair areas. Head areas rather. And for the how did the ancestry can be detected the hair types. First is the hair from the people of European ancestry. Ito ay straight or wavy ang hair. Then for the people in Asian ancestry, ito ay straight and have the circular cross sections and have medium size of pigment. And for the African ancestry, ito naman ay usually curly or kinky ang kanilang mga buhok. Then the follicles of the hair contains of chromosomes na makapagdetermine sa sex of individuals. Then sex is usually determined in DNA testing. Ang examination din sa root is makakapag-identify sa isang crime, especially if the suspected is in violence. And for how hair evidence helps in criminal investigation, hair evidence can provide information about the race of individual, and It can also show if the hair has been chemically treated or it has been cut or pulled out in a certain way. Hair evidence can also show where in the body it was located, as well as the genetic information such as blood type or DNA. And for the last is how fiber and fabric evidence can help in criminal investigation. The transfer of fiber and fabrics and their discovery as trace evidence can be critical in linking the suspect to a victim or to a crime scene. Regarding to the fiber evidence, it is significant because the textile fibers can be changed between two individuals, between an individual and an object or two objects. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please click like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.